All right. Hi, everyone. Randy Dean, email sanity expert here. This is going to be a very short video tip, but it's really potentially a very useful video tip if you don't already know this little trick. A lot of people tend to use multiple programs, do multitasking on a single screen on their PC. And once you know this trick, you'll see how easy it is to be able to set up your screen with two, three, maybe even four windows open all on a single screen on your monitor. Windows has set this up and made it easy. Let me show you what I mean. So this tip doesn't work if you're in full screen mode. What you have to do, let me show you this. This is a good example in the Chrome browser, is get, like I just picked up this tab and dropped it. And now that is a minimized window. When you have any of your main programs in a minimized window, often you can do it just using this little button right here. You can then take the minimized window item and then go up to the top, and you see how that little black bar appears? Well, if you keep pushing up on it, it shows you different options. One of them is a half screen. You'll see that you could have a partial screen. And notice what happens when I toggle over it. It actually shows you what it's going to do to your screen. This way you could have three different programs open, moving your little windows to the different part. And this one, you could even have four full windows open. It's a really handy little way to be able to sort of manage multitasking, probably most effective on a larger monitor, but it just really gives you some nice options for being able to, effectively multitask. And then when you drop it, so now I've got this new tab, now I can go back here and open this one back up. And as you can see, now I've got this session of Google over here and this session of Google Chrome over here next to each other. And once again, if I feel like it, I can drop it down, come back in, and change the view one more time. And once again, open this back up and maybe open up my PowerPoint. So as you can see, it's a pretty cool little tool. Like I said, I don't know how I didn't know this, but I thank the person that shared this with me at that client session. All right, so like I said, real quick and easy tip this time, but one that I think you might find super useful or at least handy if you're doing multitasking on a single monitor. Remember, too, one thing I didn't talk about is when you minimize your windows, if you have multiple monitors, you can, of course, pick up that minimized window and drag it all the way to the next screen to set up that as a second screen for your setup. But this is specifically if you're trying to do some multitasking on a single monitor. Hope that helps. Once again, Randy Dean, email sanity expert. If you like these videos, please like, please subscribe, please share your comments. All of those things help with the channel being found. I do have some productivity PDF tip sheets recently updated. If you're interested in getting some additional bonus tips, including a list of some of my more popular videos on this channel, send me an email, randy@randalldean.com, and I will get that out to you. Thanks so much. Bye now.